Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Navan Video Production. Today I am at Daragao picnic spot which is located at Indo-Bhutan border in the district of Baksa, BJD, Assam. So this is only 35 kilometers away from Boroma National Highway 31. You can visit this place from Boroma via Borburi, Nikasi, Daragao. And this is only 9 kilometers away from Nikasi, and the spot is very adjacent to the village Daragao, and this area falls under Dihira Forest Reserve. The main attraction of this picnic spot is Diring River, which is flowing from Himalayan Kingdom. Many guys come here during festive season and summer season too. Most of the yachts come here for river bathing. It's very beautiful, very nice, very pleasant, really very awesome. The Manas Soci Comfort Ecotourism Society is the main organization to promote this seat for ecotourism activities. So do visit this place. The condition of the road is very good now, very comfortable. Yeah, very beautiful place. Many picnic parties are here today, enjoying the beauty of the nature. Very good. So beautiful. Yeah, let me park my car here. It's very spacious. You can park your car without any problem. So I have already told you it's located in the Bhutan border. I will try to show the border here. Only a few meters to go. Yeah, I think you have seen this signboard. This is the international border in the Bhutan border. So crossing this border is strictly prohibited. So I don't want to move any further. Yeah, I will try to show you more views from here itself, since I cannot go any further. Bhutan सिमाखौ बारना थांनायाव बादा दङ. It is prohibited. So I'll try to show you the view from here itself. So very beautiful, awesome. Hey girls, don't cross the border. It is strictly prohibited. No. They are my sisters-in-law, my two sons and my wife. Now let's go back. Yeah, varieties of food and drinks are available here. Yeah, very good. And vegetables also are here. Bananas, some fruits. You will get everything here. So these gentlemen are having drinks. So beautiful. My kids are very happy to be here. They are very happy. They saw some fish there. Okay, it's enough for today. Let's go back. The sun is setting. We have to leave the place before 5 p.m.